Hi, in today's video I'm going to talk about something very important. So in this video, if you're an entrepreneur, a startup or any business, okay, we're going to learn about how you can actually get funding for your business, or how you can actually get a loan to support your business in Zambia. And the good part about this opportunity I'm about to share is that, okay, the loan you're going to get is interest free. Okay, this means that if you borrow 10 kwacha, you're going to pay back 10 kwacha. And the other good part is that when you get this loan, you can actually pay it in up to 3 years, yeah, somewhere there, without any interest. Okay, and with this opportunity I'm about to share with you, you'll be able to get a loan between $1,000 and $10,000. So $1,000 should be about 15,000. So that's the minimum you can get to, okay, to support your business, such as boost your sales, okay, and everything else. So remember to watch this video till the end. Okay, this is not Zamcash, and you really need to pay attention because it's not going to work out if you try and rush things. So this is not something instant. This is something whereby this is where they will actually look at the business idea, how it works, and see if it can actually work. Okay, so what is this platform that you can actually get a loan to support your business or your startup? Okay, but remember, you cannot get a loan for personal reasons. Okay, you need to get a loan that about your business that can actually impact people like in your area. So this platform, I don't know if you've heard of it, but is no other than Kiva. So this is the website you're currently seeing over here. This is kiva.org. okay, so on this platform, you'll not only be able to get a loan, but you also be able to support other entrepreneurs. So you can lend that money as low as $25 to anyone, and you can as well get any loan between $1,000 and $10,000. So let's get started. So this is the website. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see, okay, like some people like whom we can actually support. For example, this one here, okay, can support them by donating, not really donating, but it's lending. Okay, so here's how it works. First of all, you have to choose a borrower who inspires you. So there are a lot of businesses here with unique ideas, how they work, why they need the loan. Some of them, they're very good, yeah, like when you just read what they do in communities, how they help people, come on, you would really like lend them money. So once you do that, you lend money manually or automatically. Then here is saying that the Kiva borrowers have a 96% repayment rate in history. So I think this should at least assure you that if you lend out the money, you'll be able to recover the money. So always remember that it's a loan and not a donation. So once you give out the money, you should definitely, okay, you receive it. And the other thing is that 100% of the money goes to the supporting borrowers. Okay, this is good. So now let's talk about why you're watching this video, which is the getting a loan to support a business or startup, okay, or anything that you are doing. So what are the requirements, okay, or how do you make sure that you qualify for this loan? So let's talk about the qualifications. So make sure that you pay attention at this part. Okay, so one thing I talked about is that these loans come with 0% interest. So this means that you'll be able to get between $1,000 and $10,000 without any interest. Okay, the second thing is that it has got a good flexible payment plan. So this means that you can actually choose between the 6 months, or no, you can choose between 6 months and 3 years when you would like to be paying. So you can be paying like monthly, or you can choose any of you, any payment option that is okay with you. Okay, that's a good part. And the third thing you need to know about this company is that there is no minimum credit score. Okay, this is really common in countries like in USA, like where this thing is they really look at it to know if you can be eligible for a loan. But for this one, they don't look at the credit score. So then what do they use to know if your business really needs the loan, if you can actually pay back? So here on the website it says that Kiva does not grant loans based on credit scores or history. In fact, we never reject an entrepreneur because of their credit, net worth, or years in business. So this is actually a good thing. So instead, while we do look at your financials, we prioritize your character. So remember, your character needs to be good, and the impact your loan will have on your community. So remember what I said in the first place, that if you're getting a loan, it should be a business that is really doing good things in the community, that is actually helping people in your area. Okay, so this is what they will look at, like how it is impacting people around you. Okay, let me continue. And how much support you have from your community. So you need some support from your community. Okay, so how do they know this? They're saying this is shown by proving to us that you have a network of people who believe in you and in your business and willing to invest. So this means that, like, I think you need to have more like an audience or a follower base, people who are following you, people who are believing in what you are doing. So that is what they're going to look at. So this is actually a good thing. Okay, the other thing you need to know is that on Kiva there's free marketing. This means that when your loan is posted on the website, it becomes visible to their network of lenders worldwide, of which these some of the lenders can actually become your customers if your business, okay, does some international stuff. Okay, so your business will be exposed to millions of people from all over the world. Okay, so that's free customers for you. So that's another advantage of actually getting a loan from this company, because okay, you'll be there on the website. Okay, so the other requirement is that, okay, now let me talk about specifically about the requirements needed. The first requirement is that you need to have a business plan. Okay, so having a business plan that is specific and forward thinking shows the potential of your business to both Kiva and potential lenders. So this is good for ensuring the strength and the future of your business. So it should definitely draft or write that up. And the other thing which I already talked about is that you should have a strong network of supporters. Yeah, you should. So to demonstrate the social capital, you will need to have 10 to 25 people invest in you during the private financing period. So like once before your loan request becomes available to the public, between 10 and 25 people, okay, should at least invest in you. So if you can find between 10 and 25 people to invest in you, well, that's actually a good thing. So yeah, this is really good. The other thing is that you need to be responsible. Okay, so Kiva is saying that they're going to contact you multiple times during the loan approval. Okay, so during the loan approval, funding, and repayment process. So they're saying that they prioritize borrowers who respond to their emails, their phone calls in a timely and polite manner, which is much more pleasant for everyone. Okay, so these are the requirements. So give it a try. Let us see if you'll be able to do that and okay, boost up your business. So this is it about this video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. But for now, this is Keith Renz.